Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to prep your nails in 5 easy steps. Now, this is a great skill to learn if you like to have your nails maintained, or if you just like the idea of always having manicured hands, then this tutorial is perfect for you. You can do this on yourself, your friends, your sisters, your cousins, your man, your husband, whatever, whoever. It just really provides an overall super clean look. So first, I'm using this Cuticle Pusher softener stuff. I got this from Amazon, and I'm not gonna lie, this was my first time using this brand. I've used cuticle softeners before, but this part is really optional. This step you see here first is really the first step that you should do when prepping your nails. Take a Cuticle Pusher. It doesn't matter what the brand is or where you get it from. I get mine from Amazon. So if you want to know the exact one, just check my Amazon storefront, and there's definitely a Cuticle Pusher in there that I love. So push your cuticles back. This part is super important because that skin tends to grow up the nail, and it basically covers your full nail. Like, your nail beds look so much shorter. But when you push your cuticles back, then it provides an overall like cleaner look, and it preps you for using your drill bits. Okay, so now we've pushed our cuticles back, and you're going to take a cuticle bit and just go around that cuticle area, and you're removing that dead skin that's now been revealed because you pushed that skin back. So if you would have never did the first step, then you wouldn't have even been able to see this skin that like tends to build up on the nail bed. So yeah, go ahead and remove that. When you're doing this though, make sure you're not digging the drill bit into your nail, because that's how you can get like the ridges and the uneven nail bed. So just be careful and make sure you're taking your time and just removing that dead skin. Okay, so now we're doing step 3. Once you remove that dead skin on the nail, you're gonna also clip away the excess cuticle skin as well. So I'm using these scissors. You don't have to use scissors. I typically always use a cuticle nipper. I think it's just a little bit more beginner friendly. So I definitely recommend nippers over these scissors first. But yeah, it's the same thing. They're just a little bit more sharp and maybe require a little bit more skill. You really can achieve very clean looks with either scissors or nippers. I really sometimes honestly prefer nippers, but I wanted to show you guys how to use the scissors as well. You want to just go around that nail and clip that extra skin that you don't need. Be careful not to clip too much, because it's not necessary to clip an excessive amount of skin here. And then also be careful, because these are blades and you don't want to cut yourself. So don't get too scissor happy. Trust me. So this is the result that you'll have when you clip that dead skin. As you can see the difference, it provides a way more like lengthier nail bed, and it just looks like a cleaner look. Like, you don't have to do your nails after this. You don't have to put acrylic on this. This is something that you can just really simply do by watching TV, watching your favorite podcast, watching or doing whatever you want. Now, the last step is to just buff away that excess shine. This also, to me, just once you're done, this step, it just looks super clean and super just pretty. Now you have like normal nail beds, and you can just go about your day. Like I said, you can try this on yourself, your friends, your sisters, your family. I'm sure they'd appreciate like an overall clean look. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you go ahead and brush off the extra dust, and thank you guys for watching.